Well, we're here to witness history. This is the MG TomaHawk, and this is the first car that's been built on the ADAPT platform. So this is something no other brand has ever done.
The MG Hector TomaHawk makes a strong modern statement with clean tech-forward design. Up front, it gets a slim textured fog grille with a gloss black finish and subtle chrome inserts, centered by the MG logo, which is illuminated and flanked by sharp rectangular LED headlamps. These headlamps come with distinctive twin strip LED daytime running lights, one strip above and one strip below, giving the SUV a recognizable face, especially in low light. The front bumper adds to the bold look with the two-tone treatment and color-contrasted skid plates that hint it's an SUV in its stance. Moving to the sides, the Tomahawk rides on large dual-tone alloy wheels of 18 inches which are diamond cut. Housed also within the squared-off black wheel arch is the cladding to protect against minor scrapes while reinforcing its mid-size SUV proportions. At the rear, the design stays sleek but purposeful. Slim wraparound LED tail lamps stretch across the entire tailgate, complemented by a roof-mounted spoiler, a rear windscreen wiper, and a layered two-tone bumper that mirrors the front smart dashing details. Overall, the Tomahawk blends EV-inspired minimalism with SUV robustness, making it stand out in the mainstream segment. Inside, the MG Hector TomaHawk goes big on tech and space. The driver sits right next to a 15.6-inch touchscreen that handles infotainment, navigation, and even AC controls with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as expected. An 8.8 fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to show up trip data, range, and driving aids. Above is a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with light and adds a lot of premium feel. Seating is offered in two different layouts. You get a 5-seater variant as well as a 7-seater variant with comfortable seats that are electronically adjustable and come with ventilation for comfort. Upholstery feels extremely premium, and our first impressions of the seat are that they're extremely comfortable. The MG Hector TomaHawk has come well equipped with safety as its core, with 6 airbags as standard, ABS, EBD, ESC, hill hold assist, and TPMS. Additionally, you also get level 2 ADAS with emergency braking, forward collision warning, high beam assist, and blind spot mirroring, and a lot more.
Well, the Tomahawk actually is a structural shift from MG's brand. This does not follow anything from the MG Hector. This is a brand new chassis, a brand new powertrain, a brand new engine, and this is actually 6 centimeters longer than the present MG Hector. All of that has gone for a more comfortable third row seating. Well, what we're sitting in front of is actually the Tomahawk EV variant. This car gets 510 plus kilometers of range on just pure EV mode, whereas you also get a plug-in hybrid version, which gives you a fuel economy of 50 kmpl. Now that's astonishing. So the plug-in hybrid version usually goes for the win, and for people who don't really care about range anxiety, the EV. Now let's quickly talk about the technology that's gone behind building this car. What is actually ADAPT? Now ADAPT is MG's first of its kind technology which allows them to either build powertrains which are specially for EVs, for strong hybrids, for plug-in hybrids, and even range extenders. This has never been done by a brand. Now, this gives MG flexibility with all of their new cars that they're going to be launching. MG TomaHawk is just the first of its kind. So, what's the plot twist with the MG TomaHawk? Now, this car has actually come not to just be a part of the battlefield, but actually to rule it. MG's got a first mover's advantage with the plug-in hybrid system, whereas in the EV segment, it does have some tough competitors. But given that it is coming with a 69.2 kilowatt battery and 510 plus kilometers of range, at the price that they've launched it, I think those competitors might be in trouble. Well, let's quickly talk about the price. MG is actually launching this at quite a competitive price range. The plug-in hybrid version The top model you get at just 27.8 lakh rupees. You also get a battery as your service package, and we'll put that somewhere on the video here. But for the electric variant, you get the top model at just 23.5 lakhs. Now that's not a shocker, I understand that. But the battery as you service pack, again, we'll put it on the screen somewhere here, is gonna be a game changer. So what's this setting this apart? The MG TomaHawk is actually bridging the gap between electrification and plug-in hybrids, making sure people do not suffer from range anxiety. For people who've got range anxiety and are not making that shift into the electrification of a car, they get the plug-in hybrid version. Whereas people who are more than willing to make that shift and mostly want to have this as a secondary car, the MG TomaHawk electric version is the car that you should get. Leave it in the comments. What do you think about this? Till then, see you. Take care.